One of the ways that you can split your Word documents into multiple documents is by using the Word Master Document feature. Now let me show you what I mean. If I create a new document in Microsoft Word, okay, and let's say I want to insert, let's say I want 20 documents. So if I just insert some quick text just to illustrate this. So if I type in equals rand21, that's going to, and press return, it's going to give me 20 paragraphs of one sentence. If I turn these all into a heading 1, like so, as you can see in the nav pane, it looks pretty ugly because they're all heading 1, but this just illustrates the point. Now once they're heading 1, you can actually expand and collapse. So for example, if I do equals rand 3 now, like so, okay, and then if I copy that text and now I find, if I do a search and I find the Pilcrow for format, the style, heading 1, and then I want to replace with the find what text, which is the Pilcrow and the heading 1, and then I want to replace with the contents of the clipboard, i.e. my 3 paragraphs, this is what happens, okay? So now I've got some text, some context to my document. And I mean, what I can do now is I can, because I've got a hierarchy, I can select and deselect like so, okay? But to split this down, what we do is we click on View, then we click on Outline, and then we have the Show Master Document section. And I click on Show Document, and then I get the pop-out. And all I need to do is click on Create, and that will create sub-documents based on the heading 1 hierarchy, okay? I'll select the document, and then I'll click Create. And then as you can see, what it's done, if I select Show Levels 1, it's created those documents. Now if I save, and I save it into my test document on my desktop, which is currently empty, and I'll just call this Master Doc so we can distinguish between the master and what else is there. As soon as I save, that's what happens, okay? And now you can open up each of these documents and work on them. So if I let me just change this to 1, 2, 3, and then I add some, totally original, but add some new text here, and then I save this and close the document. And there you can see 1, 2, 3 to add. So if I now close the outline view and go to that bit in the document, as you can see, that's automatically added. Okay, that's how you can do it.